Hello everyone, I am Chetal Gasdar from Framebox Animation and Visual Effects, and here I am present with a new series with you,
How to design text template in Resolve using Fusion tab. And this is the chapter 1, what is template. Okay, so let's see the definition of the template. Templates are pre-animated project files or script that are designed with interchangeable elements. Okay, so this is the basic one-liner of what is templates. Now let's see with one example. According to me, what are templates? Okay, so this is my Resolve, and here you can find the title things, and here you have so many presets that are designed using Fusion tab. Okay, so let's see one example that I designed over here, that is Nbox outline version 1. I drag this template on my timeline. Okay, and these templates work like this. Okay, so I select this template and I can change over here on my inspector panel. So here I can change, for example, Chetal VFX, and you see it's worked fine. But now see, if I select this template and I increase the length of my text like Chetal A Gasdar, then the problem started. So what I have to do, I just select this thing, I have to go to Fusion tab, and here I need to change the length of this my outline. Okay, again if I change something, so every time I have to go to Fusion tab to change the length of this outer line. So according to me, you have to design template like that. The most of the thing is change automatically. So automation is very necessary if you design some template. For example, here I have another template, same like this Nbox outlier. So that is Nbox outline version 2. So I drag over here. Okay, I select this template. Okay, work same. But now if I change and you see the width of that box or the bounding area of that box automatically adjusts according to my text width and height. So see, if I increase the size or whatever, it automatically change. So you have to design template like this way, that most of the thing work automatically. Okay, so this is basic scenario of templates. So let's move into next chapter and see this topic in detail. See you soon in chapter number 2.